In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a voice in ElevenLabs in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you find a voice you like in the voice library and want to keep it in your account for future projects, so you do not have to search for it again every time. Whether you are creating voiceovers, testing different styles, or building a workflow for your content, saving voices can make the whole process much faster and easier. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your ElevenLabs account and look at the left sidebar. On the sidebar, click Voices. This is where all of the voice options and voice management tools are located. Once the Voices section opens, choose Explore. This will take you into the voice library, where you can browse through a wide range of available voices created for different tones, styles, and use cases. Now that you are inside the voice library, you can either scroll through the voices manually or use the search option if you already have a specific voice in mind. Take your time here because ElevenLabs gives you plenty of options, and it is worth previewing a few voices before you decide which one you want to save. You can click on a voice and listen to a sample preview so you can hear how it sounds before adding it to your collection. This is a great way to make sure the voice matches the project you are working on. Once you find a voice you want to keep, look for the plus button next to that voice. Click the plus button to save it. As soon as you do that, ElevenLabs will add the voice to your My Voices section. That means the voice will now be saved to your account and ready to use whenever you need it again. This is especially helpful if you want quick access to a favorite voice for repeated content, client work, or future audio projects. After saving the voice, you can go back to My Voices anytime to find it easily. From there, you can select it for new generations without needing to search the library again. That saves time and helps keep your workflow organized. If you are building a consistent brand voice or using multiple voices across different projects, this feature is one of the easiest ways to stay efficient inside ElevenLabs. And that is how to save a voice in ElevenLabs. It really only takes a few clicks. Open Voices, go to Explore, find the voice you want, preview it if needed, and hit the plus button to save it to My Voices. Simple, fast, and very useful. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.